Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what kakoBuy.com is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official kakoBuy website, kakoBuy is a Chinese shopping agent that helps customers purchase products from marketplaces such as YDN, Taobao, and 1699 or 88 actually. Then it will ship those items internationally instead of buying directly from those marketplaces. kakoBuy purchases the products on your behalf, store them in a warehouse or in its warehouse, perform a basic inspection or inspection, then forwards them to your country, as it says, or as the website says. According to this service, once your items arrive to the warehouse, you will receive a quality control or a QC photos so you can inspect the products before shipping them internationally. The company also says that you can combine multiple purchases into a single parcel, choose from different shipping methods, and request additional services such as extra packaging for fragile items. To get started, of course, you'll have to create a kakoBuy account. You'll find it at the top right, you'll find the sign up option. Click on it, sign up into an account, or log in if you do have an account by any chance. You'll have to copy the link of the products that you'd like to purchase then from the supported Chinese marketplace. They support like those platforms, as we said before, Taobao, WeShop, which is 1688, and Zhongdong. You can click on purchasing as an example, and you will have to basically go to one of those websites to find the product that you want and get their link. So basically, the kakoBuy agent team will help you purchase all the online and offline products in China. With a paste in a product link, as we said, they will make an order and they will provide a full range of best-in-class service after. Then they will ship it to their warehouse. As an example, they will do a quality check, and then you can basically choose the product's warehouse to submit them into parcel, ship it at home, choosing your reliable logistic provider by kakoBuy. So if you're considering using kakoBuy, take your time before placing an order, view the seller's rating, inspect the quality check photos carefully, and understand the total cost, including products, price, shipping, and possible custom change or charges. Before spending any money, doing your own research can help you avoid unexpected costs later. So it's very easy. You'll have to come here, enter an example, the link, click on agree. As an example, they will take you exactly to that product, depending on where you get it from. You'll be able to choose the quantity as an example. So the minimum purchase is 1,000 pieces. Keep that in mind. You can add it to shopping cart to go add another example, products and etc. So once you do, as an example, if you want to add more, you can add more. It's up to you. And depending, of course, on the product, sometimes the products are not available for more. Then you can click on buy now. As I said, you'll have to sign up into an account to do that. You can add it to shop cart. You can view the product details and everything. Then click on add to cart or shop it now or buy now. And you should be good to go, according, of course, to the website. Of course, if you have any questions, you can review the help center or contact kakoBuy customer support through their official websites. As you can see, if you go to the bottom, you'll find the contact us option where you'll find their information to contact them. So you can either join Discord, contact them at the email. They have the service email and business corporate email where or when they will respond. And you do have here a chat, I guess this AI chat to help you out. So as I said before, doing any purchase, make sure to do your own research and you should be good. Found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.